The case of Jennifer Gledhill, charged with the murder of her husband Matthew Johnson, has garnered significant media attention due to its shocking details and the ongoing search for Johnson's body.
But first, subscribe to our channel for more content, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family.
Jennifer Gledhill, 41, and Matthew Johnson were residents of Cottonwood Heights, Utah. Their relationship had reportedly been tumultuous, marked by allegations of infidelity and domestic disputes. Johnson was a member of the Utah National Guard, and his disappearance on September 21, 2024, raised immediate concerns among friends and family. Jennifer's initial report to the police claimed that Johnson had gone missing after a fight, stating he had told her he would be away for a week. Central to the case is Jennifer's extramarital affair. An informant who had been involved with her came forward to police, revealing that Jennifer had confided in him about the murder. This affair not only strained her marriage, but also set the stage for the tragic events that unfolded. On September 21, 2024, it is alleged that Jennifer shot Matthew while he was asleep in their bed. According to court documents, she later confessed to her affair partner that she killed him after he confronted her about the infidelity. The details surrounding the murder are chilling. Jennifer reportedly placed Johnson's body in a rooftop storage container and disposed of it in a shallow grave. Following the alleged murder, Jennifer attempted to clean up the crime scene. Reports indicate she replaced a mattress and used bleach to clean blood from the carpet and bed frame. These actions raised suspicions among investigators who began piecing together evidence against her. The investigation into Johnson's disappearance began in earnest when his coworkers reported him missing after he failed to show up for work. Police were alerted on September 25th, and by September 28th, Jennifer called to report him missing. Investigators uncovered several pieces of evidence that painted a troubling picture. Confessions: the informant provided police with recordings and messages exchanged with Jennifer detailing her actions. Physical evidence: blood found under the bed was later tested and identified as belonging to a male source. Further testing is ongoing to confirm it matches Johnson's DNA. Witness accounts: neighbors reported hearing arguments between Gledhill and Johnson leading up to his disappearance. On October 16, 2024, Salt Lake County District Attorney Sim Gill announced 9 felony charges against Jennifer Gledhill. These included first-degree murder, 5 counts of second-degree felony obstruction of justice, tampering with a witness, desecration of a human body. The charges reflect not only the severity of the crime, but also Gledhill's alleged attempts to cover it up. In a surprising twist, Thomas and Rosalie Gledhill were arrested for their involvement in helping their daughter conceal evidence related to Johnson's murder. They face multiple felony charges for obstruction of justice. Authorities allege that Gledhill's parents participated in cleaning up the crime scene and disposing of evidence after the murder. Witnesses reported seeing their daughter's home cleaning on September 24th, just days after Johnson's disappearance. The case has sparked outrage within the Cottonwood Heights community and beyond. Friends and family of Matthew Johnson have expressed their grief over his disappearance and suspected murder. Community members have rallied for justice, hoping for resolution in this tragic case. This case has also highlighted issues surrounding domestic violence and infidelity. Advocates are using this opportunity to raise awareness about support systems available for victims of domestic abuse. As legal proceedings unfold, both Jennifer Gledhill and her parents face serious charges that could lead to severe penalties if convicted. The trial is expected to attract significant media coverage as more details emerge. The outcomes could vary widely depending on how evidence is presented in court. If convicted of first-degree murder, Jennifer could face life imprisonment. Her parents may also face substantial prison time if found guilty of obstruction charges. Despite extensive investigations, Matthew Johnson's body has not yet been located. Authorities continue their search efforts while urging anyone with information to come forward. Local volunteers have joined search efforts organized by law enforcement agencies. The community remains hopeful that new leads will surface that could help locate Johnson's remains. The tragic case of Jennifer Gledhill serves as a stark reminder of how quickly relationships can deteriorate into violence. As investigations continue and legal proceedings unfold, many are left wondering about the fate of Matthew Johnson and seeking justice for his untimely death. This situation underscores critical issues related to domestic violence, infidelity, and community responsibility in addressing such tragedies. As we await further developments in this case, it is essential to remain vigilant about supporting victims of domestic violence while advocating for justice for those who have lost their lives under tragic circumstances.